Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete or remove Messenger account. So if you want to delete or remove your Messenger account, what you have to do is first of all open up your Messenger application, and after opening your Messenger application, now you have to tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left, and then tap on settings and scroll all the way down. You will find account center, and you have to tap on see more in account center. And after tapping on there, now you have to tap on accounts, and now you have to choose the account which you would like to delete. And after choosing account, tap on remove and then tap on remove account, and after that you have to tap on continue, and then you have to tap on yes, I want to remove your account name. After tapping on that, you will successfully remove your account from your Messenger application. And if you want to delete your account, what you have to do is and now you have to come back and again tap on account center, see more in account center. After doing that, now you have to tap on personal details and then tap on the last option, account ownership and control. After doing that, here you can find two options. You have to tap on the second option, deactivation or deletion. After tapping on deactivation or deletion, now you have to select the account which you would like to delete, and then you have to tap on the second option, delete account, and then tap on continue. And now you have to select a reason why you would like to delete your account. After selecting the reason, just tap on continue, and then again tap on continue. And after doing that the last time, now you have to tap on continue. And now you have to enter a code which you will receive in your email account, and after entering that code, now you have to tap on continue, and after tapping on continue you will successfully delete your account. So this is what you have to do if you want to delete or remove Messenger account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.